What's up, bike nerds? All you bike people out there, hit that like, share, subscribe button. And today's topic, I don't know what today's topic is. I don't think that far ahead sometimes. Oh, well, we definitely got to put it in gear. I told you I'm like the world's worst about that. Put it neutral, get sidetracked, and then try to drive with it in neutral. I think I said that in the last video. I don't know. But today's topic, I don't know. I already said that. Let's start this vlog over. Take two. Welcome up. Blah, 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 blah. Welcome back, bike nerds, bike heads, bike faces, all you people out there that like motorcycles. I am on my way to work. We gotta go sling some sugar today. Gotta head down to Clewiston, Florida. Then we're gonna head back up to Kissimmee. Not Kissimmee, but Kissimmee. And then after that, we are going to go to the house. Here is work. I don't think anyone's here yet. If they're not open yet to wash my trailer, then that means we are going to go drive around some more. There's no one here, so let's go for a little bit more of a bike ride. What do you guys say? This drive sucks because it's right beside the light and you can't make a left. You have to make a right. Someone dropped the trailer. I got plenty of fuel. I'm liking this gauge, fuel gauge. The last two bikes did not have a fuel gauge. Hopefully my bag will be alright. It wouldn't surprise me if someone tried to steal it. I will whoop an ass. Freaking go crazy on somebody. Let's see what we got. We're gonna get one of these. You gotta love points, paying for stuff. Got my bag that I take to work with me. I've even got my tank bag in there, but haven't been using it. Not with the saddlebag, because now if I go on a trip, I'll absolutely be using it. Oh. Let's go right around behind the building. We are just out cruising, doing whatever we want until work. And it's a beautiful night out tonight. It's funny, in the career field that I'm in, my full-time job. Oop, I just went the wrong way. That's alright, we'll turn around out here. Not paying attention, getting sidetracked. Well, it looks like the shop's open. No, they're not. Everyone I work with keeps talking about this word. It starts with a V, like Victor. vacation. And I'm like, what in the hell is a vacation? I've never heard of this before. And they're like, yeah, man, it's this thing that you do where you don't work for like a week. And you go and you do something and you have fun. And I'm like, really? Is that a new slang word that's come out? You know, like dap? It's like, when did you guys start that shit? And he's like, dude, it's been around forever. And I was like, no way. He was like, yeah. I was like, oh shit, really? I've never freaking heard of it. Taking a vacation. What the hell's a vacation? Now, I think I've had time off in the past that I guess was kind of a vacation. But I ended up just doing side jobs to make money. Like one time I had the week off from work. And I put up a barbed wire fence for a farmer. It took six and a half days to do it. But yeah, totally, man. Freaking a vacation. Who would have known? And apparently, I've had really shitty jobs in the past because I didn't get paid for having vacations and days off. And apparently, there's companies out there like the company I got now that gives you that week off that I'm referring to as the vacation. And guess what? They pay you. They pay you for taking a week off to give you a vacation. Do you believe that shit? That's freaking cuckoo. Well, his bike's not up here today. That's alright, I'm gonna take his parking spot. If I can push this big bastard backwards. There we go. It's not all that big. But where I'm parked, he's normally parked.